I love drawing, but just sitting down at my desk to make some art has always been painful for some reason. I would take out my nice sketchbook, all my nice supplies, but I would freeze every single time I had to start. This made me procrastinate starting any new piece, but I didn't know exactly why. The answer came clear to me only after a long time. Perfectionism, which is, quote, the tendency to demand of oneself an extremely high or even flawless level of performance, in excess of what is required by the situation. I really want to stress this last part of the definition, because I would always come to my desk with a crazy expectation about the final result, like the entire world would depend on it. I kind of had this crazy idea in mind of this perfect artwork, and I felt I had to be at that level every single time to avoid ruining my sketchbook. This is what was stopping me. What really saved me, I can't believe I'm saying this, but is gesture drawing. I need to explain you why. Because gesture, in particular 1 minute quick sketches, made me reckless. And this is really the key, just 1 minute sketches. Because all those fully rendered, polished drawings took me forever. I would spend hours working on the most minute detail. Just a waste of time, of course, and it didn't make me improve in any significant way. This is the first aspect that quick 1 minute gestures fixed. By setting such a short time limit, I didn't feel the pressure of making every single stroke perfect. I just had to keep on drawing, because time was running. This allowed me to reiterate and progress faster. Another lesson gesture taught me is to accept imperfections. By having such a strict time limit, I just have to keep on going and take decisions, no matter if right or wrong, while my obsession with perfection made me completely refuse to make mistakes. I had to overthink every single move, but mistakes are the only real way to improve. As one of my animation teachers used to say, fail often and fail quickly. And gesture is exactly that. Gesture basically made me stop caring, which is the opposite of perfectionism. But here's a few things that, together with gesture, helped me a lot. First thing, stop buying expensive crap. I used to buy those expensive sketchbooks, and this paralyzed me even more. Now everything I use is a cheap sketchbook or even copy paper, which is great to do a lot of practice. And a cheap pencil. This comes from one set of tools. I don't even know what this brand is. Finally, another small thing to keep in mind to beat perfectionism for good. Remember, we are all still a work in progress. We will make mistakes, draw crap, but this is not only normal, but also good. So try to enjoy the journey and be kind to yourself. Gesture made me realize all this, and if you want some other tips about gesture, this video is for you, and I will see you on my next step.